At 11, frustration reaching a breaking point for one restaurant owner not allowed to have in-person dining because of Governor Brown's COVID-19 restrictions. It is 11 o'clock. Good evening. I'm Jeff Gianola.
And I'm Elizabeth Din. That local bar owner and the mayor of Sandy say they will sue the state of Oregon and Governor Kate Brown this week. Right
now, Oregon has one of the highest infection rates in the entire country, and those numbers continue to grow.
Let's go now to our Jenny Young joining us live tonight on this story. And so, Jenny, you spoke with several people today, including that bar owner who says despite those restrictions, she's not obeying them for her business now.
That's right, Jeff. Liz, Melissa Adams owned 3 bars. She had to close 2 of them because of the pandemic. The one here behind us, the Spud Monkeys here in Gresham on Fairview Drive, she's still operating it, and she is done obeying the governor's restrictions. She says it is devastating the economy of families and workers.
I come in here 7 days a week for the last 14 months trying to make this work. I have lost a marriage. I have lost a business partner.
For Melissa Adams, a mother and business owner, life over the last year has been about as dark as it gets.
My son was so depressed that he took his life January 9th of this year. This is my new reality.
Adams is still grieving the death of her son, but she continues to show up to Spud Monkeys 7 days a week because she knows other people are depending on her. It's Monday night here, and there's not an empty seat in the house. That's because Adams isn't following the governor's rule that bans indoor seating at restaurants and bars.
Another comment that was made yesterday, that I care more about profits before people. My people are my employees. My people are my patrons. My employees deserve to take care of their families.
Adams joins Sandy Mayor Stan Pulliam. They're expected to file a federal complaint against the state of Oregon this week. They're demanding scientific data that proves or disproves restaurants are a major spreader of COVID. Last week, State Health Officer Dr. Dean Seidlinger told the Oregon Senate Committee on Healthcare OHA has traced only 3% of the virus to restaurants.
Our restaurants and bars, just in the new outbreaks that we've seen, has been about 3% of the outbreaks in the last week.
All right, we did reach out to the governor's office about this lawsuit that will be filed. I want to be clear, it's not filed yet. The governor did not respond to that email. I did speak with the attorney representing Melissa and the mayor and other groups as well. He says that when they file, of course, it will be up to the judge. I do want to point out that inside Spud Monkeys, they do have their tables 6 feet apart. Employees are always wearing masks. And Melissa says that she has spent a fortune making sure things are clean and sanitized. Jeff, Elizabeth, we will continue to follow this story. Reporting live tonight in Gresham, Jenny Young, KOIN 6 News.